Hi, Bessie Budget fam! It's payday again, and this time we're cash stuffing for one of my biggest dreams, My Chemical Romance concert in Manila 2026. Pero bago yan, let's cash stuff other important envelopes muna. Number one, always a priority, offering. Laging inuuna si Lord, at syempre, first fruits going towards Him. Next naman ay rent. Nakatira ako sa 1K. Medyo okay naman siya for someone living solo. Siguro for perspective sake, mga 50,000 a month, pwede na rin. Next naman ay utilities. Utilities ko includes electricity, gas, and tubig. Yung wifi kasama na siya sa utilities. Next naman ay monthly allowance. Dito ko kinukuha yung groceries, toiletries, and other things na ginagamit ko every month. Next naman ay credit card payment. So always in a full, no debt stress here. I make sure that I pay in full all the time. And yun, gagawa ko naman. Consistent naman ako doon. Next naman, syempre, bilang panganay at ate, I make sure na meron akong pinapadala sa family ko every month. Next naman is the tax envelope, aka Good Citizen Payment Fund, always going towards the government. Wala naman tayong complaints. Next naman ay transportation. So madalas kasi bike to work ako, pero syempre may mga places na kailangan nating puntahan by train and by bus. So dito ko kinukuha yung fund na yon. Next naman ang aking lifelong project, which is called Project Suri. This is really major. Next naman ay emergency fund, which is a non-negotiable for me. Next naman ay Japan investments. So ito yung thank you self in yen para sa future self ko. At ang kapartner niyan ay Philippine Investment Fund. Thank you self in peso kasi kahit na nasa Japan ako, I'm still securing my roots sa Pilipinas kasi Pilipino ako. Next naman ay ang wants fund ko. Pero buffer money ko talaga ito. On my next list is a functional want naman, which is a dresser from Nitori. Best it is not urgent, but it makes my space soft life ready. Abangan! Next naman, ang My Chemical Romance Fund at ito ang highlight ng content na ito. So preparing money early, preparing my joy. Instead of stressing where to get funds, I'll just scream my lungs out for My Chemical Romance and shout out to GCash. Next naman, ang travel fund. This is where I will be getting my airfare pauwi ng Pilipinas. Next naman ay isang special project ko ng 2026 which is my mom's 60th birthday fund sa Japan. First time ng buong family ko na pupunta at spring yon. So sobrang excited ako kasi cherry blossom season yon. And that's for today's stuffing. What are you saving for, bestie? Save now, enjoy later. Thank you, bestie. Bye!